Welcome to this before and after bathroom renovation video. Today we'll be showcasing an old and outdated bathroom and how it was transformed into a modern and functional space. As you can see, the faucet is old and outdated. It's also rusted and not working properly. The vanity is also small and cluttered, with limited storage space. The mirror is outdated and the lighting is dim, making it difficult to see properly. The tiles are also outdated and in need of repair. Now let's take a look at the renovated bathroom. As you can see, the new bathroom is completely transformed. The faucet is brand new and modern, and works perfectly. The vanity is now spacious and organized, with plenty of storage space. The mirror is large and modern, and the lighting is bright and perfect for getting ready. The tiles are also new and modern, giving the bathroom a fresh and updated look. Thanks for watching this before and after bathroom renovation video. As you can see, with the right design and fixtures, any old and outdated bathroom can be transformed into a modern and functional space. If you're thinking of renovating your bathroom, make sure to choose the right design and fixtures that will suit your style and needs.